everyone, I am Pranjal. So today we will do some things, and I have noticed that I don't do only science things. I do all the subjects such as SST, computer, GK, maths, English grammar, English reader, Hindi, and extra stuff. So we will today do a quest, and I will show you some photos that you can see and draw it. So first is from some science drawing. So let's see it. So it is the house of Taylor birds. It twist and make the house, and next this is the nest of a weaver bird. I can see you properly. It is very beautiful, and people also catch it to decorate in their home, and it do not fall if a cyclone comes. But if the tree fall down, it will also fall down. And next is computer things. That is laptop. Why does it is mouse? The mouse is located in the keyboard. It is a mobile. It is a tablet. And it is a top-up tablet. In top-up tablet, we can touch it without our finger. We can touch it with a pen. And it is the desktop. It is the computer. It is the CPU. It is the keyboard, and it is the mouse. See the mouse properly. And next is SST. This is the apartment part. This is the road. So what is different between apartment building and this is the independent house. So what is the difference? See in the apartment. See, it has AC and it has also chimney, and it has much more good facilities such as tap facilities. But in an independent house, the house is a hut. And then see, it is the kitchen. The man is coughing because it has no chimney. From a hole, the gases come out. And then the bedroom. The man do not have any AC, so it feels very hot. And then the man is pulling from the tap because there is no tap facilities. So now this is the time of quest time from GK. Sorcery from science. So tell me, which thing lives on earth? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be earth. And the living and the organism which lives in earth is living things such as human, animals, and birds. We will do only 10 questions. And what is things which is like 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be stick insect. And next thing will be a insect that must look like a butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be moth. So I finished this now. So bye bye, take care, and have a good day. And do not go outside because of COVID-19.